Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I cook my honey butter chicken with rice. So I'm going to have your chicken turning from this to this. So don't forget to sauce up this video with your likes, and don't forget to comment down below, you guys. And I thank you guys for watching this video with me. You guys are the best. Enjoy this video, you guys. Alright, so first we're going to start off with some freshly washed chicken, you guys. I filleted my own chicken. This was originally just some chicken thighs that I filleted. So I went ahead and seasoned the chicken with some black pepper. Then I'm adding some Cajun seasoning. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. That's all I added to the chicken. Oh snap, I forgot I added Creole seasoning. So yeah, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning to your chicken as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and heat our skillet. We want our skillet to be kind of close to medium high, and also we want to grease our pan with some olive oil with at least 2 to 3 capfuls. Once it has been heated, we can go ahead and add our chicken. Okay, so once the chicken stops sticking to your pan, that's when you can go ahead and flip it. Because if you flip it before, it's going to actually stick to the pan, and then you're going to have all your meat stuck on the pan. So we're going to go ahead and flip our chicken because it's no longer sticking to our pan. And you want that crust right here. You want it to look crispy. Okay, so this next ingredient is optional. I went ahead and added some rosemary to it. I just felt like the rosemary would give it an extra bang. And it really did. It actually helped the flavor of the chicken. So I will definitely try the rosemary again in something else. And I will actually recommend it too. So if you do make this dish, try the rosemary as well, because it will definitely make a difference. So at this point, I turned my stove up to high. That way I can really get all that flavor inside the meat, because I'm about to take the chicken off. So if your pan looks like this, don't worry about it. What is going to happen is it's going to create a thick sauce. All you have to do is add at least about 4 tablespoons of butter. Also, you want to turn your heat down to medium or low. That way it doesn't kind of burn your butter. And butter really doesn't burn, but we want it to just be perfect. We wanted that taste to be just right. So go ahead and turn your heat down to medium or low, or medium low. And then we're just going to go ahead and keep stirring up the butter. That way we can get that salt, that flavor from the pan up like it's doing right now. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2/3 of soy sauce to our mix. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. And then we're going to add 2/3 of honey. Now that we had added our ingredients, we're going to go ahead and mix it and keep mixing it until the sauce becomes really thick. If you need to add water to it, go ahead, but just add like a teaspoon at a time. That way you don't over dilute it. So we want to add some more flavor to it. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Adding onion is also optional, but it also will bring more flavor to your dish. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up a half an onion. Let's go ahead and stir our sauce up, and then we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to our sauce. That way it can get all the flavor into it. And we're going to let it cook like this for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Once you have already cooked your rice and your meat and sauce is already done, your food should look something close to like this. And that is the end, you guys. I thank you guys for coming through and watching this video with me. You are the best. And I hope maybe you try this recipe at home. And if you do, let me know how it came out, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so that way, guess what? You can see more content like this in the future.